Hey, how's it going? So welcome back to my channel. So we've been playing with this now for a few days. It's the Umidigi F2 in a gorgeous phantom blue. So that is the colour. Let's give a little buff. That's the colour right there. Wicked colour, really cool. So I've had a little play with the camera. I've had a little mess around with the phone. Not a bad phone. So you're going to see some photos of some plants I've taken, a little pile of rocks. You got the selfie, you got the bear, which is I think in every review I've done. And just to tell you something which I did touch on in the original unboxing. So this phone actually runs complete stock Android. So it's completely stock. So on this phone you've got Android 10. Now, I wouldn't be holding my breath to get Android 11 anytime soon, purely because this is a small brand, Umidigi. They are selling generally budget phones. There's not really many expensive phones that they've got. In fact, none are expensive. This is only £220, and this was their flagship phone until, I believe, April this year. This came out in September last year. So it's about a year old, but it's stood the test of time as far as I'm concerned. The camera's pretty good. I think having that stock Android interface really helps. And I was impressed with this phone. The face unlock is pretty quick. The fingerprint is quick. So to run you through the specs again, you've got the Helio chip. So that's where they're keeping the money in the bank, because they are not using a Snapdragon, of course. You've got 6 gig of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. Takes 2 SIM cards, which is pretty good. You've got a 6.5 inch screen, which isn't the best screen, but it's okay. The 48 megapixel main camera, and a few other specs in there as well. So the phone itself I was really pleased with. Very flat on the back with a small round on the edges, small curve. I have actually been using it in the case, which is a free case which comes with it, which makes it a little bit more manageable. I mean, a glossy phone to me, I do tend to struggle with, purely because they tend to slip up my hand. And the charger and the power brick which came with it. The power brick feels a little bit cheap, but you know, the phone is £220, so what can I say? So I'll drop in the photos now so you can see the photos. I'll drop in a quick video as well, just a little selfie video, and potentially there'll be the rear camera video as well, so you can see that. If you quick video in the car being taken on the Umidigi F2, just so you can see how it handles. Got a nice brilliant light in here because I've got a big sunroof. Thank you. Again, I'm in the car, so yeah, this is being filmed on the Umidigi F2. The beard looks absolutely huge. Thank you, bye. If you're interested in the phone, check out the link below so you can purchase it for yourself, have a little look about, see what you think about the phone. And yeah, I mean, for 220 quid it's a bargain, but I would make you aware now that they've brought out an S5 Pro. So that is the more up-to-date phone. It's got an under-screen fingerprint sensor rather than the on the side one. I don't believe it's got the 3.5mm jack. One of the reviews I read said it had a USB mini charge port, but as far as I'm aware, it doesn't. It does have the Type-C, which, I mean, everybody seems to be going for at the moment. The one niggle is the pre-applied screen protector. It's not completely covering the glass, so it doesn't go edge to edge, and I don't think it's quite central, but you know, it's probably been laid by a robot or a very tired person. So yeah, that's really about it. That's all I've got to say about the phone. Really like it, really cool. Check out the phantom blue. I mean, I'm going to show you again. Really cool. And that is it. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. If I get more subscriptions, I'm going to do more videos, and I'll keep them coming, and hopefully I can stand out a little bit more with some more subscribers. And have a wicked day. Thank you very much. Check out the phone, the link below, and see you in the next one. Cheers.